Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove objects using the Pixlr app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to remove the object of. After that, then here you can find the option of AI tools at the down right corner. Now select it. Then here you can find there is the remove object button right here. Now tap on it. Then use the given feature and circle the area where you want to remove the object. Just like this. And then simply tap on to remove object. Now wait for few seconds and the object will be removed. The lights object has removed from the photo. Just you can see. And that's it. This is how you can remove objects in the picture in the Pixlr app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.